Well, today we're going to be doing the Masked Readers event in which we promote literature, recommend books anonymously, and we play a fun game to see whether or not people know it's us based on the books that we read. Well, to prepare for this, first we need to pick out a book. It can be any book, any kind of genre, whatever the person enjoys. Once we pick out a book, we pick out perhaps our favorite line from the book.
Get on the side where all the hot shots are.
We also need to disguise ourselves because obviously they can't know who we are.
Oh, Mr. Potato Head reads many books.
Welcome to the Masked Readers. I'll be reading from Seed of Gold.
I'll be reading from Pokemon Adventures.
Go ahead and read The Pigeon Will Ride the Roller Coaster.
I think it builds, a love of reading. It involves the community. It shows that the community supports reading. It gets the kids excited. They learn about new books. They want to come to the library. They're excited that their community and the people that they see every day is also encouraging reading. So they have to listen carefully, and they have to try to guess to see who it is.
Yeah, I got 2 of them right.
And I think it's important to not only encourage reading, but to make it fun.